All right. Why I'm keeping the Vision Pro. Is the Vision Pro perfect? No. Is it a first generation device? Yes. Is it very expensive? Yes. Would most people be better off with a Meta Quest? Yes. But for me, this guy right here, I enjoy the Vision Pro. So that's why I'm keeping it. I know there's been a lot of talk about, hey, is the Vision Pro 7 times the experience of a Meta Quest? I don't know. I mean, maybe in hardware and some other stuff, possibly. But even then, when you look at the two things, it depends on what you're doing with it. So that's just one of those arguments that, you know, you're never really gonna win, whether if you say it's not or it is or whatnot. It's all about what it's worth to you. That's what it is at the end of the day. I don't feel like I need to return this. Some people feel like they do, but I don't. I've been enjoying the experience. I've been wanting to learn more about it, and I'm willing to take this further. So this is something that if I would have bought this, let's say I didn't have a YouTube channel. If I had the money and I bought this, I still would enjoy it. Still, because there's been times in the past where I've had a YouTube channel and bought products and returned them simply because I didn't like them. Even though I was making videos, even though I was covering it, I returned it because I didn't like it. I genuinely like this device and I enjoy this device. And one of the things I wanted to say is, for everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, people that have been supporting me in the comments, I want to thank you guys, because I believe that you guys genuinely enjoy this product too. And that's pretty much where I'm going from here. I want to share what I enjoy, what I like about this device with other people who like this device as well. And so if you do like it, hey, make sure you guys do subscribe. Make sure you guys do follow the channel and everything, because that's what I'm here for. I'm not really here to say, oh my God, Apple's the worst and I can't believe, like, look, I was literally almost at the point of buying a Meta Quest 3 because everybody was telling me, you know, you don't know what you're talking about, the Meta Quest and the Meta Quest and the Meta Quest and the Meta Quest. Look, if you guys have a Meta Quest 3, enjoy it. I am not here to pull anyone away from their Meta Quest 3. I am here to enjoy my Vision Pro. And like I said, that's why I'm keeping it. I'm enjoying it. I like using it. I'm waiting for more apps to come out so I can try out different things. But it's been a good experience for me. Once again, is it perfect? No. Are there some improvements that could be made? Yes. But to me, this is a very, very good first attempt. So just wanted to keep it real with you guys. I didn't have like this long drawn out speech or anything, but I just wanted to nail that point home that today's Friday. It's the last day to return it, and I won't be returning it. So get ready to see some more videos and some more coverage about the Apple Vision Pro. All right, y'all, take it easy. Peace.